The new CNC Crossbar clamshell from H&S TOOL will redefine how technicians approach pipe cutting applications. CNC programmable for both standard and custom bevels, including 37.5, 10, and J prep. 5 inches of XYZ travel for heavy wall pipe and flange facing. 1 platform for severing, counterboring, and beveling.
In LNG applications, 2.5-inch thick P91 and P11 piping is traditionally cut with specialty M42 and T15 tooling. The CNC Crossbar cuts severing duration in half with carbide inserts, reducing bevel costs by up to 50% while ensuring consistent, repeatable quality. For nuclear steam generator prep, traditional methods require 2 separate systems for severing and beveling. With the CNC Crossbar, both operations are performed in a single setup. The result? Less downtime, lower equipment costs, and CNC precision that virtually eliminates rework. In oil and gas, counterboring and J-bevel prep often requires massive lathes and pipe-facing machines with huge footprints and heavy power demands. The CNC Crossbar achieves both with a compact system, reducing on-site space, power needs, and total operating costs.
The CNC Crossbar clamshell, unmatched precision, productivity, and performance all in one platform.